All right, so coming to us from Toy Habits Vintage Collection, Evil Lynn here. Very retro looking here, in package look here. We don't have a pre-order date as of yet, but apparently this has been circulating for quite some time now, and looks like it'll be finally coming out. So there you guys go for Evil Lynn fans, Moto Vintage Collection there coming very soon. And then what else we got here? We got the Sky Sled here with Iman. There you go, IMAX poster there revealed as well. So there you guys go. Some Masters of the Universe dual news coming our way. One for the movie and one for collectors. So there you guys go. Check it out over at Toy Habits right now. Link in the description of the video. And per usual, just drop a comment below and hit that like button. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Less than 2 weeks to go. I know you Moto fans are super excited. I'm excited too, man. I really hope this movie is going to do well, which I think it will, to be quite honest with you. So looking forward to it. All right, take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video.